Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be comparing KMail and Thunderbird to see if which email client is better in 2026. So this video is a head-to-head comparison of KMail and Thunderbird. These are two popular desktop email clients, and let's find out which one suits your needs better. So let's start with the side-by-side overview. So KMail is a default email client for KDE Plasma with deep Linux integration, while Thunderbird is Mozilla's cross-platform email client, so both are free and open source with different design philosophies. Next is KMail interface and features. So the KMail offers a clean KDE-styled inbox with folder panels, message preview, and tight integration with KDE's Kontact suite, including calendar, contacts, and to-do lists. Next is a Thunderbird interface and features. So the Thunderbird's Supernova redesign brings a modern interface with tabbed emails, built-in calendar, and a streamlined message view. So it works across Windows, Macs, and Linux. Next is account setup comparison. So both client supports IMAP, POP3, and auto detect settings. So KMail uses KDE's account framework, while Thunderbird has its own built-in account wizard that's slightly more beginner-friendly. Lastly is the feature comparison and verdict. So both support encryption, calendar, contacts, and filters. So the Thunderbird wins on the cross-platform support and extensions, while the KMail excels in KDE integration and PIM features. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!